Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to reset this entire website by using single plugin. Watch this video from start to end. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. You will usually find it like your website name.com/wp-admin, and please visit this link. After visiting the link, you will be redirected to this page. Here you need to enter your username, email ID and password and click on login option. Once you are logged into your WordPress website, on the left hand menu, click on this plugins option and click on this add new plugin. And on the right side in the search bar, type WP Reset. Here you can see this is a WP Reset plugin, most advanced WordPress reset tool. It's a most trusted plugin that makes resetting WordPress fast and safe. Click on install now option and then now activate it. Once the plugin is activated, here you can see this is a WP Reset option and click on this open WP Reset tools option in the plugin section, or you can find this option in the tools option. Here you can see if you hover on this tools option, below here you can see this WP Reset option. Please click on this WP Reset option. You will be redirected to this page and scroll down, and here you will find an option called like reset option. Here you need to type reset text and click on this reset option. And here there are three options available. Here it will show like if you enable this, reactivate current theme, and because previously I have installed the Astro theme, if you want the Astro theme to be reinstalled again, you can enable this option. And if you want the previous plugins to be reinstalled again, you can enable this. But I don't want this Astro theme and previous plugins. Entire WordPress content, data, images, all should be reactivated, reset, all should be erased from my website. One more important thing you need to remember: resetting WordPress will delete all the posts, pages, customizations and install themes and plugins also. So make sure to back up your site if needed before you reset your WordPress website. Before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Balasagar and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly. So in order to reset WordPress website, here you need to type reset and click on this reset site option, and here you can see you will be asked to confirm one more time. Click on this yes option like a reset WordPress option and the plugin will do the reset of your WordPress. Here you can see after a few seconds your WordPress site will reload, completely reset to its original state. Only the default theme and WP Reset plugin will remain active, just like a brand new WordPress install. Here you can see if we go to the plugins option, the previous plugins have been deactivated, only the WP Reset plugin is activated. So if you would like to delete all these remaining plugins also, please do click on these select options. Please do deselect this WP Reset option and click on this bulk option, and here you can see click on this delete option and click on apply, confirm, okay. Here you can see all the plugins have been deleted and the media, pages, posts, all the content from my website has been deleted. And here you can see if I visit my website, here you can see my website looks brand new like a fresh WordPress website. And that's how you have successfully reset your WordPress website in just a few clicks. If you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video. It will help you. Thank you.